Okay. Recording. When you're ready to get your produce out of the box, this is how you open it. Pinch the top. Just pinch it.
Which?
See how Farmer Pete is pinching? That's right. Alright. Remove your produce. And then, if you're the last one to use the box, unfold it. Again, on each end, pinch. Correct. Open. And fold. If you don't pinch it together, you have to tear it like that to get it out. It just simply tears apart. And then we have to throw the box away. We can't reuse it easily. Thank you for your efforts.